what's good, YouTube, and what's up, everybody out there? To you guys that are watching this clip right now, I know you guys are surprised just as much as I am as far as what went down a couple of days ago. It is going all over the net right now. It's going all over YouTube and just everywhere where you can think of as far as where entertainment sparks and gets off. You know what I'm saying? I'm talking about the Tupac hologram. Over that was at the Coachella, I believe. Yeah, the Coachella, where Snoop Dogg was performing alongside with him as well. Like he was actually there, like Tupac, like live. Like he was like there, like you could shake a hand with that nigga, you know what I'm saying? Like that shit was dope. But yeah, at the same time scary as fuck. But anyways, yeah, in the beginning when Tupac first came out, he gave a shout out to Dr. Dre and Snoop Dogg. But some people thought he was talking about Drake for a minute. As you look on any YouTube clip that has the Tupac hologram, some people thought he said Drake, and I just kind of find that kind of funny. But anyways, yeah, man, that shit was crazy, man. Just to see that he was performing, a few of his songs, and Snoop Dogg alongside with him, like they was just chilling right there. They could have shook up right there. That's how real it looked, man. Like I said, that shit crazy. But anyways, man, bouncing off of that, I'm going to talk about hip-hop, for a second, to how it is now to how it used to be back then. Because right now, hip-hop in this generation is just simply pathetic. I'm sorry to say it, man, but I'm just being real to y'all, and, I'm just staying 100 with it. I mean, back then, hip-hop actually had a meaning, motherfuckers actually had a meaning for what they was talking about in their songs compared to now, where people talk about smoking blunts and, sipping on 40s and parties and bitches and all that type of shit, you know what I'm saying, and that's real. I mean, don't get me wrong, there are a few real cats that are out there right now that are still doing their thing and staying true to the game, but I can only name a few, and that's a damn shame. I mean, I'm gonna start to name some off right quick for you guys though. Meek Mills, I gotta give that dude props from Double MG, you know what I'm saying, shout out to Double MG, by the way, you know what I'm saying, for you guys doing your thing. Meek Mills, I salute you. You know what I'm saying? You're doing your damn thing, man. Every time I hear one of your songs, man, I'm shouting out to you from Minnesota, by the way. Every song that you do, man, is like it has a meaning behind it. You know what I'm saying? Like, there's a story behind it that I can relate to or that's real. And I can dig it. So you know what I'm saying? Shout out to Meek Mills. Another dude that I give shout outs to right now that's in the game is Wu-Tang Clan. You know what I'm saying? They're still doing their thing, holding down ciphers and everything, and they're doing their thing, man. They're killing it. They're still staying true to the game. Another rapper that I could probably think about right now that's being real to the game and, saying what's real, that's out there, is probably, it's a damn shame that I gotta take this long just to think of a rapper out of all hundreds of rappers that are out there. But I'm trying to think. Damn, I can't think of any more right now. I mean, Ludacris, he's doing this thing, man. When he came into the game, I believe, you know what I'm saying. It's just my personal opinion. I don't know what you guys think, but it's just my personal opinion. He's been staying real to the game, and a lot of other people as well. But you know what I'm saying. You can't front about this. Everybody know they can't front about this. But back then in the 80s and the 90s, and that's when the shit was really real. That's when it was there. You know what I'm saying? Notorious B.I.G., of course. Tupac, of course. When they was in their primes. You know what I'm saying? Doing their thing, man. Spitting their rhymes. That shit was cold. Everything they spat. You know what I'm saying? They had a meaning behind it. Oh yeah. No. Back to current rappers now. I gotta give props to Kendrick Lamar because the shit he been spitting has been real, real as fuck. Like, I just love his style, just the way he breaks shit down, you know what I'm saying, for what happened in his background, and, how he carries himself. Now, I will give props to Kendrick, man, because he's new and he's out there, and his shit's off the chain, but he's just underrated to most of y'all motherfuckers, man. But yeah, man, check out more of the shit if you get a chance to. But anyways, man, you guys gotta check out this Tupac hologram, man. That shit was too scary, man. It's just like, at first I was excited, woo, you know what I'm saying? I'm like, oh shit. But then, just after a minute, man, as I was watching it, I'm like, man, the government did that shit, you know what I'm saying? And, who knows what else the government could do, you know what I'm saying? That shit was scary, man, you know what I mean? Now, from what I'm hearing, though, is that holograms even existed a long time ago before they brought back Pac Pac, from when he performed at his concert. And I believe that it was used in Star Wars, I believe. Yeah, Star Wars, yeah. I believe they used holograms in Star Trek, I believe, too, as well. You know what I'm saying? So, I mean, it's been out for a while, but I guess they're just bringing it back, just like everybody now that's trying to bring back the old school trends and all that and whatnot, as far as like G-Shock watches and, snapbacks and everything like that. Like, I feel it. I understand that, I guess, to a certain degree. But anyways, man, yeah, most of these garbage ass rappers that are out now, man, that everybody's listening to is don't even have half of the fucking meaning, you know what I'm saying? Not even a fourth of a fucking meaning when they're talking in their songs. So, that's just crazy, man. Like, I'm not gonna front to you guys. Like, I do bang 2 Chainz and I do bang Future, you know what I'm saying, in my whip while I'm driving to work, or if I'm going to a friend's house or wherever the fuck I'm going, you know what I'm saying, because you want to get in that mood, you know what I'm saying, you want to get going, get your day started and shit. But man, if you really listen to them motherfuckers and what they're saying, you know what I'm saying, especially 2 Chainz talking about having a fucking a bitch in the car and talking about if he had a baby, name her Mercedes, like, what kind of shit is that, man? Like, I kind of sat there for a minute like, oh, man, this shit bangs, man. But when I heard that, I'm like, man, dude, like, okay, I got what you was talking about. I got what you was saying, but, man, you didn't have to take it that far. But anyways, man, nah, man. Jumping off of that subject, though, man, the Tupac hologram, that shit was crazy, man. When I seen the performance of my damn self not too long ago, that shit was just crazy, man. So, yeah, I usually, I got a few songs myself that I do. I mean, you guys can feel more than welcome on my channel to check them out. Give me your honest feedback. Let me know. Just, give it a thumbs up. Give it a like if you want. I would highly appreciate it. You guys can also follow me at Twitter at AceTheAnimal05 to follow my current updates. And, yeah, so I just wanted to let you guys know what's going on and how crazy that shit was, man. So yeah, when you guys get a chance, be sure to check it out when you go on YouTube or wherever you guys are going, or just simply Google it, man. It'll bring you right to the link like it did when I went on there. So yeah, you guys have a good one, and be sure to leave your feedback below. Give me a like, or even subscribe to me, man. I love that too. So yeah, all right, peace.